That's what I thought. It's all okay. Okay, you can just sit here and then you go outside. Okay? Yeah, okay, my friends, now we are in Kakheti. Kakheti is the biggest region in Georgia, wine region. And now we are in Sirnagi. Sirnagi is the city of love. This city anyway now is the city of love, but a few centuries ago it was not city of love. Actually, like it was like one of the most strategic cities in Georgia. Why? Because as I told you, we always had enemies. But mostly like our enemies were coming from like Caucasus Mountains, and also this region has a border to Azerbaijan. So we had like enemies like from Azerbaijan and also like from Caucasus Mountains. So in 18th century, our king Erekel II, which one is also famous because he won like the most battles in Georgian history, decided to build this city. He built this city in 18th century, and around this city he built this wall. This is like Kakheti or Sirnagi wall. It's the biggest wall in the world after China wall, and it is like 4.5 kilometers around. It has like 24 towers. Why 24 towers? Because Sirnagi is a city, but this city has 24 villages. So when our enemies were coming, and they were coming almost every day, like every person from every village, they already knew which towers they had to protect. Like this, there was not any chaos or something like this. So yeah, but in general, like it changed now. We don't have like a war or something like this, and it became like a beautiful city, like a city of love. People are coming here for marriage and for wedding. But I want to tell you, Sirnagi is not Georgian word. Sirnagi is like a Turkish word, and you know that Sirnagi and Azerbaijan has like a bit similar language. So when our enemies were coming from like Azerbaijan, they were like screaming, "Attack Sirnagi! Attack Sirnagi!" So Sirnagi in English means shelter. This city was a shelter, absolutely shelter. Yeah, and now here we are here like in small winery. As you know, like Georgia, first European country who invented like a winemaking. We are first Europeans who started like a winemaking 8,000 years ago, and we started inside this. This is like a clay pot. In Georgia we are calling Kvevri, and this is like one of the most traditional and special like a winemaking style. Actually, like let me tell you, like help you like imagine our harvest time festival or process. So people like will take grapes, they will put here. Then they are pressing. At this time they are dancing, they are drinking, they are joking, they are singing. It's like a Brazilian carnival, you know. After this grape juice will go there like inside the Kvevri, inside the clay pot for fermentation. Everyone has a different kind of time, like maybe like it will be like 1 month or 2 months, like maximum like this. So after this, when it will become wine, they will serve like a wine in this kind of bottles, like this. But main point to keep wine like how can I say, like fresh, and to just keep wine inside. It does not have to be like any air. If like inside like some like air will come in wine, it will become vinegar. It will become vinegar, and yeah, we have wine now. But inside here, we have grape leftovers. We left grapes skin, grape seed, grape leftovers. From this, we are making cha-cha. Cha-cha is one of the most traditional spirits in the world. It's like an Italian grappa, but it's like absolutely different, like a vodka. Because cha-cha has to be made by grapes leftovers. But of course, you can add some flavors. You can add like a watermelon, melon, lemon. I don't know, like a peach, oak, honey. But it has to be made by grapes leftovers, and we boil like a cha-cha inside this kind of stuff. Yeah, and then like we have a cha-cha and ankel. Oh, we have a cha-cha and ankel. Cha-cha means like in India like ankel. Yeah. So we have a cha-cha, and then we will dance cha-cha-cha. Okay. So yeah, any questions about this? So now we are in small winery. Our host, his name is Nika, but he's not Fantastica because there's only one Nika Fantastica, and it's me, global version. He is like a professional alcoholic. He is like a professional alcoholic. He was drinking like wine, like instead of milk when he was a kid. So you will have like some kind of degustation, and yeah, that's fun. You want picture? Midi. I will take from there. Take with those.
I say that words please 2 minutes after. Wait a minute. არ დამელოდოს ჯერ არ დაიწყო რა იყოს.
Please stand here.
And ჯერ არ დაიწყო.
Huh?
Minut რა იყო.
No?
No, you drink it.
Ah, drinking. Ah.
No. Please put glass here. 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Okay.
Cha-cha.
No, wine.
Wine.
Hello again. My name is Nicholas. Now we are in wine cellar estate Signati. We're making natural wine, organic wine, and we're making wine Clayport Cleverson. This is Clayport Cleverson, what you see. Name is Pewri. This is very old Georgian traditional. Georgian people's making 8,000 years wine in Pewri. Archaeologists find it in Shulaveri, which is close village. We find it Pewri. Inside grape seed. 8,000 years old grape seed. This is not wild grape seed. This is cultural grape seed. This artifact does not find it in world, and world thinks Georgia is first country to make wine. In Georgia, we have 3 styles wine making. We talked about white wine. First, it's European styles. Next, it's Georgian styles. Imeretian styles and Kahetian styles. Imereti, this is West City, Kutaisi, and Kaheti. Now we are in Kaheti. This is very big wine region in Georgia. 70% wine made